So back this week with a very exciting, unreleased new product that Hikvision sent us over to have a look at this week, and we've been really impressed with it. Now, if I told you it was this pretty average looking 27-inch monitor, 1080p, 2-watt speakers, 1 HDMI input, and a slightly wobbly stand, you might be wondering why we are so excited. But this product has a bit of magic. I'm going to turn it on. There's nothing connected to HDMI 1. There's no video source. But there we go. What Hikvision have done here is they've built a 16-channel decoder into a monitor. Now, if you don't know now why we're so excited, or why you should be getting excited and thinking about all the places you can use it, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you. So let's have a look at how it works. As you see, I've been able to plug in a mouse. There's actually 2 USB ports in the back. You can plug in a keyboard if you want, because if, like me, you hate clicking on on-screen keyboards to set up passwords and stuff, you can just use a real keyboard and put it away again. So for configuration, when I turned it on first, it was a very simple wizard asking me to set up the IP settings for the screen, and then it goes off into here, into this little search screen. So we can search our local network and add any encoding devices from there. And we can also manually add it. So for this, I was able to add our NVR in our Dublin office, remotely. And you can also use this to add OnVIF devices. It doesn't have to be Hikvision devices. Really simple. So what I've done is I've added 2 recorders, so over 30 cameras added, and now it is a 16-channel decoder, so we can only look at up to 16 at a time. I have a 9-way split there. What's so noticeable is how well it streams. Like, I always watch the seconds on the display. There's absolutely no lag, no stuttering. And as I said, that's our Dublin office, nearly 300 kilometers away, so I'm not doing any local wizardry. We have a few options. These are called scenes, so this is my main scene here. With the 9-way split, I set up the second one with a 4-way split. So, an inside and an outside camera from each of our 2 offices. Absolutely perfect live view. So, you have one option. Set up the display that your customer wants. We'll go back to our main one. Pop it up in full screen. Unplug the mouse. Mount this wherever they want. And that is a perfect static display. It'll reboot if there's ever a power failure into full screen again. 0 maintenance, 0 issues, I would imagine. Second function, instead of just the static display, would be where, say, they have a security guard in place and he wants to interact with the footage more closely. So you can leave the mouse plugged in, you can set him up as a user with a password, and he can do things like jump out of the predefined scene into any particular camera at a time. We also have audio, as I mentioned earlier on. There's little 2-watt speakers. Windy day in Cork. And a really great extra feature is playback. Now, as I mentioned, there's no storage in this device, but if you add a device like a recorder or a camera with an SD card, then you can access the playback through the interface here, and it's really quick and smooth. Let's pop in our shop camera. There it is from midnight. And very quickly jump forward, and again, it's just seamless, no delay whatsoever. It really is very impressive.